On today's video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly method that you can use to make money on CPAgrip. This method that I'm about to show you is free, and the best part is you are not required to invest any money. You don't need any technical skills to start earning on this website. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that we'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAgrip account. It's free to create an account, so just search for CPAgrip so that you can create your accounts. Once you create your accounts, you are going to come to this side. Once you are here, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, select offer tools. Once you select offer tools, click on my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So it depends on the country that you see right here. When you scroll down, you are going to see different offers that you can promote to earn money. All these offers that you are seeing, they are CPA offers that you can promote. You are not required to get sales before you earn money. So as you can see this offer right here, what you need to do is that you only need people to enter their email address and zip code on their mobile device so that you can earn $1.83. All the offers here you can see, you are not required to get sales. As you can see this offer right here, you are only required to get people to install a mobile app so that you can earn $2.35. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them that you can promote to earn money on CPAgrip. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search for a specific country so that we can promote offers in that country. CPA offers, they are country specific, so you have to promote offers to a specific country so that you can earn money. As you can see right here, these offers that you are seeing on your screen, I have to promote it to people in the United Kingdom. So I must get traffic in that particular country. If you don't have traffic in that country, you have to search for the country whereby you have the traffic. So for example, you can just search for United States. Once you search for United States, just click on it so that you can find offers in that country to promote. So once you search for United States, you can see different offers that you can promote to earn money when you get people in the United States to take a specific action. If you want products that are mobile friendly, you can just come right here, select that so that you can filter the products based on those that are mobile friendly. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So all these offers, you are only required to get people to complete them on their mobile devices so that you'll be earning money on CPAgrip. You can see this one right here. The payout is $2.05. You can see this one 94 cents, 12 cents. You can see $1.50, $1.11, and the rest. So what you have to do is that you have to find traffic in the United States so that you can promote any of these offers that you are seeing on your screen for you to get a commission. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select one of these products so that we'll show you step by step on how to promote it to earn money on CPAgrip. So you can see there are a lot of them that you can promote. So in this case, I'm going to promote this offer right here. Grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. So this offer right here, if I get people to enter their emails and zip code on their mobile device to receive a PayPal gift card, I'm going to be earning $2.05. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you are going to see more details about it. You can see this is the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. So they have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can get a chance to win $750 PayPal gift card to spend. So once you come here, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed on mobile devices. You can see it is only allowed in the United States. Once you know the details about the product, the next thing is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people in the United States to complete this offer for us to make money. The next step is that you are going to search on Google how to make money online. Once you search for that, you can find many articles that are talking about how to make money online. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here, 20 ways to make money online in 2022. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here, another one right here, and many others. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to open one of these articles so that you can use it to promote the offer. So you can just select any of them. In this case, I want to select this one right here. You can see realistic ways to make money online. So just click on it so that you can open it. So once you open it, you are going to see the body of the article. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see everything in the article. As you can see, a whole lot of different information about how to make money online. So what we are going to do is that we are going to copy this article so that you can rewrite it and then use it to promote the product. Once you copy the content, you are going to paste it on a document. You can paste it on a Google document or you can paste it on a Word document. So once you paste your text, the next thing is that you are going to rewrite all these text so that it can be yours. You don't want to copy word for word from another article. You want to make it unique. So what you have to do is that just highlight everything so that you can copy it. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy this particular content. Once you highlight and copy your content, you are going to find a tool that can help you to rewrite this particular content. So just search for this particular tool right here, spinboat.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to paste your text here so that this particular tool can rewrite the content so that it will be unique. You are not going to be copying from other people. So just paste your content right here. Once you paste your content, you are going to see it like this. So the next thing is that you are going to click right here, basic spin, so that it can rewrite the content. Once you paste it, you are going to see a page like this. To rewrite the text, just click right here, basic spin, so that the tool can rewrite it for you. Once you click on basic spin, you can see this is the article. So now it is different from the original one. This is a unique article that you can use to promote the offer. So the next thing is that you are going to find a website whereby you can post this particular article and then get people to complete the offers on CPAgrip for you to earn money. The website that you can use to publish your article for free is medium.com. Medium.com, this website gets a lot of traffic, so you can post your article right here so that you'll be getting traffic to the affiliate offers that you are promoting. As you can see on SimilarWeb, medium.com gets up to 137.5 million visits every month. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you can see that 25.80% of the traffic is coming from the United States. So we are going to be getting people to read our article and then take the action. Apart from medium.com, I'll also be showing you a quick way that you can use to get traffic to your article so that you can get people to perform the action for you to make money on CPAgrip. So now once you are on medium.com, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on get started so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, many people are posting different articles here. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you are also going to do is that you are going to post your article onto this website so that you can get traffic back to the offers that you are promoting. To publish your article on this website, just come right here. You can see right, click on that so that you can publish your article on this website. Once you click on right, you're going to see a page like this. So this is where you're going to paste the title of your article. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to paste the body of your article right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back to spinboat.com. Once you come back to spinboat.com, you are going to copy the rewritten article. So just click right here so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. As you can see, this is your article. You can see the body of the article. So this one right here, you are going to delete it. So now what you have to do is that we have to start promoting the product in this particular article. So we have to insert our affiliate links into this particular article so that we can get people to read it and then complete the offers for us to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to go back to CPAgrip so that you can get the image of the offer. So once you come back to CPAgrip, just right click on the image. Once you right click on the image, select save image as so that you can save the image of the offer. Once you save the image of the offer, you are going to come back to Medium. Click on this particular plus sign, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see you can add an image, you can add a video, you can add an embed code and the rest. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to upload the image of the offer right here so that we can promote it. So just select the camera sign right here. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image and then upload it. So just select your image. Once you select it, click on open and it's going to be uploaded. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to add a call to action at the bottom of the image. As you can see right here, you have to just type a call to action right here. So this call to action is just the title of the offer on CPAgrip. When you come back to CPAgrip, you can see this is the title of the offer. So just copy and paste it right here as your call to action. Once you have your call to action right here, you're going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, you can see this link icon right here. So you have to insert your affiliate link into it. So just go back to CPAgrip so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back to CPAgrip, just click here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to click on the link icon right here so that you can insert your affiliate link. So just paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, press enter. So anytime you get people to read this particular article, they are going to click through this link so that they can receive a PayPal gift card. So once they click on it and then perform the action, you are going to be earning money on CPAgrip. Apart from here, you can also scroll down and then insert the image in any part of the article. So what you have to do is that just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can insert it right here, or you can just scroll down and then insert it in any part. So before the next point, I just want to insert it right here. So what you have to do is that just create a space. Once you create a space, click on the plus sign right here. Once you click on the plus sign, click on add image so that you can add your image. Once you add the image, the next thing is that you're also going to add your call to action right here. So just go back to CPAgrip, copy the title of the offer. Once you copy, you are going to come back to Medium and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to insert your affiliate link into it. So just come back to CPAgrip, copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to highlight the text, click on the link icon and then paste your affiliate link right here. Press enter. So right now we have the offer in our article. We also have it at the introductory part of our article. So anytime you get people to read this particular article, we are going to get many of them to click through and then perform the action for us to earn money. You can see this is the article. So once you have your call to actions, everything in the article, the next thing is that you are going to publish it. So just come right here, click on publish so that your article can go live. You can see right here, you are going to add some topics. So this is where you are going to add some tags. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to type something like make money. You can see make money online, type that. So you are going to add as many tags as you can. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, publish now, so that your article can go live. As you can see, publishing your story. As you can see, the article has been published. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is the article. So anytime people read your article and then click on this particular call to action right here, once they complete the offers, you are going to be earning money on CPAgrip. So now I'm going to show you a secret traffic source that you can use to get many people from the United States to read this particular article and then perform the action for you to make money. So the next thing is that we are going to be using this website, addmefast.com. This website is a traffic exchange website that you can use to get a lot of people to click through your article and then perform the action. So you want quick results, so you have to be using a website like this so that you can get a lot of people to read your article and then perform the action. So what you have to do is that you have to create your free accounts. So just click right here, register, so that you can register for your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see I've earned 1,117 points. So what you are going to be doing is that you have to earn points on this website so that you can exchange those points for clicks. There are many ways that you can use to earn points on this website. You can like Facebook pages, or you can follow Facebook pages. You can share Facebook pages. There are so many things that you can do to earn points on this website. But one of the easiest one is YouTube views. So just click right here, YouTube views, so that you can watch YouTube videos. Once you watch them, you can earn the points and you are going to exchange those points for traffic on this website. Once you click on YouTube views, you are going to see a page like this. So just click on the image so that the image will be positioned well. They want to test whether you are a human or a robot. So just click on it so that you can get the right position of the image. Once that is done, you are going to click on submit so that you can now get a video to watch and then earn points. As you can see right here, if I watch a 30 seconds video, I'm going to earn 8 points and I can use those points to exchange for clicks. So just click on view video so that you can get a video to watch. You can see it is counting right here. So when it gets to 30 seconds, I'm going to earn 8 points. As you can see right here, I've earned the 8 points. You can see that there's another video that I have to watch. You can see if I'm able to watch up to 45 seconds, I'm going to be earning 13 points. So you have to be watching the video so that you can earn points. So once you earn points, you are now going to exchange those points for traffic. I recommend you spend about 30 minutes watching the videos so that you can earn a lot of points. Once you earn the points, you are going to come right here, click on add. Once you click on add, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to promote your article right here so that you can get people to click through it and then take the necessary action. So right here, you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select website traffic. So just scroll down to the bottom of it. You can see right here, website hit. So just select that. Once you select that, you are going to select the country right here. Right here, you can see worldwide. So anywhere in the world, people can see your article on this website and then read it. But we don't need worldwide traffic. We want people from the United States. So just unselect it. Once that is done, you are going to click right here so that you can select the country. So just scroll down and you are going to find the United States. Just scroll down so that you can find the United States. As you can see right here, United States. So just select that. Once you select that, you can see one selected and you can see that is the United States. The next thing is that you are going to add your title right here. So you can just say how to make money online 2022. So just paste the title of your article right here. Once you paste it, the next thing is enter your website URL. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come to Medium so that you can copy the link to your website. So just click on this particular link right here. Once you click on it, the link has been copied. What you have to do is that you have to come back to add me first and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see total clicks. So you are going to determine the number of clicks that you want. So you are going to click right here, switch on, so that you can switch on the number of clicks that you want. Right here you can see daily clicks. So you are going to switch it on. How many clicks do you want per day? So you can enter 200 clicks so that you can be getting 200 people to click through your link every day. You can see it right here. Now CPC. So that is the cost per click, the number of points that you want to reward per every click that you get. You can see right here the minimum is 5. So you are going to enter only 5. So anytime people click through our link, this website is going to deduct 5 points from our points right here. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on viewing the YouTube videos so that you can earn a lot of points in exchange for many clicks. So once you enter the CPC, the next thing is that you are going to click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, you can see this is your article. You can see the number of clicks that you want per day. You can see the total clicks. You can see right here we have 0 clicks because it has now been posted. You can see one of my links, I got 392 clicks. You can see right here this particular link was banned. So make sure you don't promote direct affiliate links. I promoted a direct affiliate link and the link was banned. You can see it right here. So make sure you use Medium before you post it here. Don't post direct links. So make sure you keep on watching the video so that you can get a lot of people to click through your article and then perform the necessary action for you to make money on CPAgrip. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.